Hi friends, welcome to Moana's Diary. They generally dried this way on the floor and some are hung here. Hi friends, welcome to Moana's Diary, and today we are taking a short trip to Gorai, and we have just crossed the town Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Maidan. So a short trip, didn't know what to do exactly, just wanted to refresh ourselves Diwali holidays. This area is called Dongri area, and this is like a village, this entire garden. Yeah, so we are trying to get in here today. This is Our Lady of Bethlehem Church, Dongri. This is for the first time we are entering in, just to see the church entrance. We are unsure whether the church is open or no. I'll have to walk in maybe a little bit. I'll just check. Some Sunita house, and I think right in the front of the church, I think. So let me just take a quick visit and come. This is something unplanned. I just remembered, like every time we cross this lane, but we never enter this church here. Yeah, I can see the name written in Marathi, Our Lady. Okay, the church is open, and it is Our Lady of Bethlehem Church. This is blessed and inaugurated by Reverend Dr. Bishop Agnolo Brishes. This is how it is. And this is first time we have been inside. I really do not know where the entrance is from back. And I think that end is a school area. This is a stage. And this is how it looks. It's a very old church. The structure is also very old. I can see that big bell on the top. It's written 4th century, so year 1613. So it's a very old church. And there is a grotto right there of Mother Mary. And that is where I came. So church is closed, and it shows 1613 on the entrance. Fine, but I just wanted, I was always very eager to come here to see this place. Very old church, and I love visiting all this old architecture. ocean here, and I really don't understand what is that. To just show you all what it is. See these pillars, see this construction. So very old. I don't know if I can see the church from here. No, I actually can't see anything. Too dark inside. Maybe next time. But for now I'm happy that I'm come and I could visit this place. And this is a chapel here. This is, I think, yeah. This is the Holy Eucharist inside. Anyone can go and sit there. And finally I visited. So thank you so much. So now we'll go next to Gorai. How do you? You're going so fast. Junction for one on the
straight goes to Uttan.
Right goes to Uttar.
Right goes to Uttar.
Okay.
And we are going towards Gorai.
Gorai.
So this is the junction.
So this is the junction.
Yes.
And this is we are going. And this is a famous grotto here.
Grotto.
So once we come back, maybe we come and visit here. This is an October month now, so there is rosaries happening every day. Morning star. So that we can take the entire view of the beach.
Down.
On asa. But the bathroom maka time na. Nice, the roads are made better. Earlier it was horrible.
The last time we came from here, we had come Edgar, no, daytime.
And even later we have come once over here.
Whispering Palm.
Yeah.
Then they came in the morning.
Yeah.
That time we came this way. That road,
While coming
it was
out.
bad.
Yeah.
But good, very good work. In 3 years' time.
So there is one dhaba here, or kitchen called an Auntie's Dhaba. This is where Sonali and Clyde come generally. Huh?
We also ate here.
We also ate. But then it is Sonali and Clyde's favorite. And all the resorts are here. Pixie Sea, Darya, Kinara, Dadi. Close to the beach. And I think we have reached here. This is Pixie. This is Pixie Beach Resort. And this is Gorai at the extreme end. We're still going ahead. Go tide. to see all families out. Children are playing around. People have brought their cars. So this is the beach side, and this is in the entire stretch is the resorts.
One side of the water.
So today being low tide, the water is extreme down. Like you have to walk literally.
Receded.
Too low, na babu?
Water receded. Receded means went back.
Ah, look at it now. So nice. I love coming on beach side for the fresh air. I thought of moving towards the beach and be a little while in the water, but it is like extremely too low. I have to walk too much, so I don't know. So we'll be going over there. Climate is okay, no? Bit humid.
Climate is good.
After how long?
Last month we came here.
But then we didn't vlog. Why your face is so crumpled?
Sir, but cold.
So, chalo. Dinu Shore and Sea. The entrance is so attractive.
Attractive, yeah.
But we'll have to go inside to check it. And we are very slow because this is how it is below. You can see this is the Sea Kings and this is
The beach house.
the beach house. This looks good.
We're not too sure if they have rooms to stay.
No, it's just a resort, I think. Just, no, not resort, just a
Restaurant.
cafe. Yeah, that was it.
अरे मनोज वाजपेयी का वी वॉच कहाँ people are coming.
So this is the entrance where we'll be moving out. And this is Whispering Palm. I think now they have made some shade and also to sit. Last time nothing was there. This is the dry fish, which all these East Indian coolies, they generally dry it this way on the floor, and some are hung here. This is how they dry it. This is how they dry the fish, and then we call it suka bombil and whatnot. I don't know. See here, there are some few hanging. This is bombil which is hanging here. Auntie is cleaning fresh prawns. See here also you can see bombil. So in line there is all bombil. So this is all this East Indian people, coolies you call them. They bring all this dry fish here and they dry. And this is the village. And here is St. Paul's Grotto. See St. Paul written on the top.
गाडी चालवता बघू डावर माना डावर चालव ना
So there are a lot of Christians here. So this, after drying it looks like this. These are dry bombil. This is called Bombay ducks. Some make prawns. Some make pickle. You can make curry. This is the This is Mandeli. Yeah. This is Mandeli and those are Bombay ducks. We call it Bombil. So nice to see how they dry all this. There's a process for this. Yeah, there is a lot of efforts are going in this. In the hot sun. See, look at this. This is also Mandeli. And then we have to take care because there are birds around who eat it. And if you see on the other end, there is beach. There are boats, small boats for fishery. These are village boys playing. And they have made something. I really don't know what is that. Just going and checking what. मी काढू ना व्हिडिओ मी काढते व्हिडिओ तुझं आईला दाटते मी थांब हे काय आहे रिसॉर्ट आहे कोणाचा रिसॉर्ट नाव काय रिसॉर्टचा सेंट पॉल रिसॉर्ट तू कशासाठी येतो बोलतो आणि नंतर धावतो हा बाबा तू बोल रिसॉर्टचं नाव काय रिसॉर्टचं नाव सेंट पॉल रिसॉर्ट कधी यायचं आता बुकिंग करू मी हा चल मी येते हा रिसॉर्ट मध्ये आता हा आता तुम्ही टीव्ही वर येणार हा चालेल ना ओके चालेल मोहना मोहना डायरीज हा सगळे जोरात बोल मोहना डायरीज व्हेरी गुड सबस्क्राईब करा हा थँक्यू मांदेली 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 beautiful sight to see sunset. It's totally orange in color. You can see people around sitting. Na, na, na. I'm going to run on the slope.
That'll be sure.
This is so lovely to see. They have gone to that boat over there. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is the exit. Say we are exiting now, and you can see the crowd. Time?
Time.
I'll tell you. Time is
5:55. Almost going to be 6. There are some people coming in, some moving out. But this is the other entrance we have taken to move out.
Actually, this is the main entrance.
This is the main entrance.
Yes.
This is the place we generally sit here in Gorai for chai and onion pakoras.
This is something you opened up.
Yeah.
And these are all the places where you can rent a room.
There are bus every half an hour, I think.
See the bus number.
6.
6 number. Come from
Then
Uttar.
6 number bus. And there is pay and park as well. I can see there the board. Checkmaka is there, and Madhumeri statue within one bungalow is dropping off, which is really pretty, very beautifully constructed. This is the small grotto of Verinkani, which is next to the police chowki. One way goes to Uttan and one goes to Gorai. A lot of people come to pray your rosary. It's a small place. So earlier when we were moving towards Gorai, we found this place. We said, no, Vada Pav. So this is that place. So after coming out from Gorai beach, here we have stopped. Generally there is a lot of crowd. Maybe because of Diwali there is less crowd. And this is the place.
You don't want?
No, no.
मला खायला दे. किती आहे?
So this is the street road from Gorai moving out. So today there is less crowd. Generally we have a lot of crowd here whenever we come in. And this is Mario going to enjoy his vada pav.
Yes, one I'm taking. एक हा चटणी लाव सर्व लाव म्हणजे
अंकल 8
144 किलो 3 ना मिक्स चटनी
हाँ मेरा भी टोटल 4 9 8
चालेल चालेल
12 हो
टिश्यू मध्ये
3 दो ना भाई
प्रेम
ये भी
And this is
प्रेम प्रेम
ठीक है
so enjoy your vada pav, Mr. Mario.
कैमरा
And tell me how it was. So how is it?
No,
I think this is the first time we are having from you.
we didn't take it.
Okay. Crispy.
Nice. Probably when a chura there, but a small chura I give you.
Okay.
No.
So you're having one more?
You go there?
No, no, no. I'm done.
Go.
Come.
Go, go.